First, that it's hard not to feel like our country is having a run of bad luck when you have an earthquake, tsunami alert and pandemic to contend with all in one day.
Tsunami warning to say that this is all over.
I was sitting in maths class and we just got the alert, and then all the students from our school came to the hill quite calm and quietly, which was real good.
So we all evacuated, and it took us probably about 20 minutes to get our whole school up here.
That'd be the worst full moon tide ever and some, so it's really cranking.
I was so scared. Me and my friend were kind of panicking, but everyone was just saying it's fine because we were already in land.
Once people sort of congregated together and we started to cordial with each other, I think it was quite a relaxed atmosphere.